Hello student, Standard 7, English medium, subject maths, chapter number 1 integer. Now students, in exercise 1.1 question number 1, it is given that following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at a different places on a particular day. Students, see, in the number line there are different types of cities and their temperature are also different. In this question number 1, observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Students, we know that on a number line at the center origin point 0 and its right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers is there. Students, now afterward 0 and its right side, first city is given that Simla, Koti and Bangalore. Now just here we have to find out temperature of the cities. See, first place is Bangalore. See, on the number line Bangalore comes between 20 and 25. So after 20 this line 21 and afterward 22. So the temperature of the Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Understand students? Now next Koti, and the temperature of this city is, see, on the number line it's a previous of 15, that means 14. So the temperature of the city is 14 degree Celsius. Afterward Simla, and it's already given that at the 5. So the temperature of the Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of Srinagar is left side of the 0 at second point, left side of the 0, first point is -1 and second point is -2. So here given that place Srinagar and temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. Now next city is Lahore Spiti, and the temperature of its between -5 and -10. So afterward -5, -6, -7 and -8. So the temperature of the city is -8 degrees Celsius. To be continue, next question. B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Students, just here first we find the temperature of hottest city. Hottest city is, which is the hottest city, students? Bangalore. Already here we find all the cities' temperature, and which city is the highest temperature? It's a 22 degree Bangalore. And lowest temperature of the city is Lahaul Spiti. So its temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. Now difference of two cities is 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस. स्टूडेंट्स हमें क्या करना है, दोनों सिटीज का जो टेम्परेचर हमने फाइंड किया वो दोनों को हमें माइनस करना है. सो फर्स्ट बेंगलोर टेम्परेचर इज 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस माइनस 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दोनों को माइनस करना है, लेकिन जिसे माइनस करना है वो ऑलरेडी माइनस में है. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस प्लस 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो द temperature of the difference is 30 degrees Celsius. Now next see what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So first Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius and second city Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So the difference of the two cities is minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. So it's a 6 degrees Celsius. And the last question, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of at Shimla? So first here we have to find out the temperature of Srinagar, temperature of Shimla and temperature together means दोनों का जो हमने temperature find students किया है. See, Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla it's a 5 degrees Celsius. So addition of two cities temperature 5 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius. So 5 degree minus 2 degree that means 3 degrees Celsius. Now afterward here we have to find that can we say that the sum of two cities is together less than the temperature of Shimla? क्या शिमला से वो शिमला की जो टेम्परेचर है उससे वो दोनों सिटीज़ का जो टेम्परेचर हमने फाइंड किया, कितना फाइंड किया स्टूडेंट्स 3 डिग्री, तो वो उससे कम है शिमला से. सी चेक टेम्परेचर ऑफ द शिमला इज 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड जस्ट हियर वी हैव फाइंड आउट द टू cities temperature is 3 degree. So 3 degree Celsius less than 5 degree Celsius. Now afterward at last question in this D, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay students, and just here we find Srinagar and Shimla's temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. So therefore 3 degrees Celsius is less than 2 degree Celsius. So the answer is no, it is not less than temperature at Srinagar. Srinagar से कम टेम्परेचर नहीं है, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.